Number 4 says identify the values of a, b, and c that would be needed to solve each quadratic formula, or solve by quadratic formula. Now, I want to remind you, okay, this is going to be purposely a little bit of a tricky problem whenever you have it, because if we just lined it up straight away for you and didn't put anything weird in there, it'd be super, super easy. Quadratic formula is ax squared plus bx plus c. Oh, pin. Not sure what's happening with the pin. But again, quadratic formula, let's try this. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Well, the equals 0 is already okay on the right-hand side. We see we have an A piece and a B piece. What we don't have is a C piece, okay? Anytime one of these pieces is missing, you need to know how to adjust. You also need to know what to do whenever that, for example, this B term doesn't have a number in front of the variable. So let's see. A is pretty straightforward. A is just the value of the number in front. That's positive 3. B, well, this is a negative x. So that means B is negative 1. Now, that would trip a lot of people up when we move on to C, because a lot of people look and go, oh, there's no C, so C has to be 1. No, if C was 1, you'd see a plus 1 sitting out there at the end of this, okay, once you move everything over and get 0. But C is completely gone. And think about what number represents being completely gone in math. It's the value of 0. So that would be our A, B, and C. Then we would go to the quadratic formula and start plugging stuff in.